Hi everyone. Today is going to be our Halloween themed dish, week 3 bonus. Today we're going to be making spider web crescent cups. So you might ask, what goes into the spider web crescent cups? Let me tell you. 1 can 8 ounces crescent rolls, 1/2 cup pizza sauce, 1/4 cup mini pepperoni slices, 1/4 pound bulk mild Italian sausage cooked and drained. I'm going to be using hamburger. 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. I thought I had some. I don't, so I'm going to be using Italian style cheese. 1 stick or 1 ounce string cheese, and 12 medium pitted ripe olives. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven, 375. Then you want to take a muffin tin and take your cooking spray and spray 8 of the cups. Next, you want to take your crescent rolls and pop them open. These always scare me. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. And then you want to go ahead and separate them into the triangles. You want to put your little triangle in the well of the cupcake. And then just kind of fit it in there like a circle. You want to have it covering the bottom and the sides. I'll go ahead and finish those all. Okay, so they're all made little cups. You want to make sure there's no open areas because we don't want the sauce to go through to the bottom. And we'll go ahead and set this aside while we make our sauce. So you want to get a small bowl, dump in the 1/2 cup of pizza sauce, the 1/4 cup of pepperonis. If you don't have many pepperonis, you can cut up regular pepperonis into small pieces. The 1/4 pound of Italian sausage, or in my case I am using hamburger, and it's already been cooked and drained, and I'm just guessing on the weight. And 3/4 cups of the cup of mozzarella cheese. I did find some mozzarella cheese in my refrigerator, so I'm going to actually use the mozzarella. And mix that all up. It looks pretty mixed up. And then you want to take and put about 1/4 of a cup in each little cup. And then you want to take the rest of the cheese and that's about 1 teaspoon on each cup. And then you want to go ahead and put them in a 375-degree oven for 13 to 15 minutes until the dough is golden brown and the cheese is melted. Then while those are cooking, you want to go ahead and take your mozzarella stick and cut the one in half, and then cut them into 24 little matchstick pieces. Then you want to go ahead and dump your olives in a container with a paper towel so you can drain them a little bit. All right, so they are browned. We're going to take our string cheese and put them 3 pieces to each cup. There you go. We'll go ahead and put them back in the oven for just 2 minutes just so they start to melt. And in the meantime, you want to go ahead and take your black olives, cut it in half like that. One of them's going to be the body. The other one's going to be the legs, and you want to cut them into 8 sections. Then you want to move them to the serving tray right away. And then we want to go ahead and make the spiders. So you want to go ahead and take the half of the olive and then 8 little legs. And I'll go ahead and finish it up. And here is the finished product. I'll go ahead and get it dished up and get my husband to do a taste test. All right, so here we have the spider web crescent cups, and rounding out the meal is bloody guts or ramen noodles.
There, that'll put a smile on your face. What is this?
It's a pizza cup. It's got pepperonis, pizza sauce, and hamburger and cheese in it.
That's really good. I like this.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.